here with Rob Sherwood, Managing Director of Hub Exhibitions. So Rob, tell us about how the idea of holding a space event here in the UK came about.
Well, I have to credit one of our exhibitors with that story because I was listening to a Radio 4 article and Sorry Satellites were being interviewed, and their chairman talked about the UK space sector and how it was challenged after Brexit and how there was new supply chains and how the UK was set to grow in terms of a space community. And I looked at the environment and found that there wasn't really a trade show in the UK that serviced the sector, and approached Farnborough International with a concept which they liked, and a joint venture was born.
And we're in year 2,
Yep.
So what can we expect from the future?
Well, we've grown the show 65% in terms of exhibitor space from last year, which is pretty phenomenal. Because of COVID, we had no international exhibitors really last year. And this year we've got 35% of the show floor made up of international exhibitors, so that's great to see. Next year I expect bigger, better, more content. I expect to, our goal is to fill the whole of the exhibition centre, and I think we're on track to do that.
Brilliant. And how's the industry changed over the last year in terms of exhibitors?
Well, I think that international dynamic has come to the fore. Previously, last year was very much a UK-centric event. So we're seeing, it's about the parts and components that go into space and go into space equipment and rockets and satellites. It's about launch capacity. It's about the data that we harvest from space. So it's really just expanding all those areas.
And how important is it for the space industry to meet face to face?
Well, I think we've all had enough of virtual events. I know. We had 2 years of that, and last year we were one of the first events to come out of lockdown when the restrictions were eased, and you could feel that excitement in the hall of getting back together again. And you just can't replace seeing a product, being able to talk about it with someone, meet face to face, and have that handshake that we've all been missing. So it's perfect.
Space-Comm 2023, what can we expect?
Much more of the same, I think. We'll be bigger. Our ambition is to push right back to fill the whole of Hall 1. We'll see more content. You see the keynote sessions are standing room only, so we'll have more of that, really develop the educational side as well as bring more exhibitors. And I think we can expect to see a lot more international exhibitors as well, looking at the trends from last year to this.
Can't wait. Thank you, Rob.